Vlogs number 52. Beverages, organic fruit juices. Subscribe, likes and share to Cez Explores vlogs. Benefits of carrots. It improves skin, kidney function, digestion, liver function. Maintain a healthy heart, reduce incidence of stroke, antibacterial and viral, great for eyes. Give healthy teeth and anti-cancer agent. This time I am going to show how to make different fruit juices out of carrots and cucumber. How to make a carrot juice. Ingredients: carrots, sugar syrup, calamansi or lemon extract. We need to prepare first to caramelize the sugar, which to be used as syrup. Just continue stirring the sugar side by side of the pan until it becomes golden brown and melt. Be sure you have 1/2 glass of warm water at your side. Continue stirring for a very good consistency. Time now to pour the 1/2 glass of warm water in a very slow motion. Don't be afraid, it is normal to create smoke. This process is called caramelization and is the basic process used to start many candy recipes and dessert sauces. When sugar is combined with water and heat is applied, a solution known as a simple syrup is formed. Just continue mixing until it will become a sticky syrup. Now the desired caramelized syrup. Set aside. Time now to peel off the carrot skin. This is the expected product. Slice the carrots. Then place it on the glass container of NutriBullet. Add the syrup. Cover it with NutriBullet blade. Cover it tightly. Insert it on the NutriBullet machine. Just for 15 seconds to 25 seconds. Pour in a pitcher. Put in extract lemon juice. It's in your option to remove the pulp or not. My opt is to retain the pulp, due to its fibrous part of the carrots. Then add water to a pitcher. Stir it thoroughly. Pour it in a drinking glass as for season to taste. The finished products. The vitamins and minerals from the carrots. Coming up next, how to make a cucumber lemonade. This time I am going to present to you how to make a cucumber lemonade. Cucumber is the principal ingredients. Caramelized syrup and the lemon. 20 pcs calamansi which to be extracted. Cucumber lemonade ingredients. Place the peeled off cucumber to NutriBullet jar. Pour caramelized syrup into the jar. Or you can use honey syrup. Cover it tightly. Blend for 10 seconds. Pour in a pitcher. Stir it thoroughly. Add 3 glasses of water. Stir it properly. Squeeze now the lemon. Continue stirring. Pour in a glass, then serve it to taste. Benefits of cucumber. Relieves joint pain, arthritis, gout, reduces cholesterol. Aids in weight loss, promote digestion, prevents headaches. Fights cancer, rehydrates and remineralizes the body, high silice content for silky hair. Cures diabetes and controls blood pressures. You can try this for 30 days for an effective results. Subscribe to Cez Explores.